Let's explore Agile Data Development. This approach applies Agile methodologies to big data projects and analytics development. It's about bringing flexibility and speed to how we handle data. Traditional data projects often face challenges such as long development cycles, using rigid waterfall approaches, experiencing late stakeholder feedback, and encountering complex data pipeline failures. Now let's see how Agile provides a solution. Agile Data Development is an iterative approach to big data and analytics projects. It focuses on rapid delivery, collaboration, and continuous improvement, helping teams quickly adapt and deliver value. The key principles of Agile Data Development are iterative and incremental delivery. Collaboration between teams and stakeholders is very important. It embraces change over fixed plans and includes continuous testing and integration. The benefits include faster time to insights, improved data quality, greater adaptability to change, and higher stakeholder engagement. Here's a sample Agile Sprint in Python. We define a sprint class with goals and a list of completed tasks. The complete task method adds tasks to the completed list if they are in the goals. The isDone method checks if all goals have been completed. This example shows how to manage tasks and track progress in an Agile Sprint. Agile workflow involves defining user stories for data features and prioritizing the backlog based on business value. Develop incrementally with test automation and review, then demo results regularly. Collaboration tools include Jira or Trello for backlog management, version control with Git and CI/CD pipelines, data catalog and documentation platforms, and daily stand-ups and sprint retrospectives. Managing large, complex datasets requires modular pipelines. Always ensure there is clear communication and frequent validation checkpoints to maintain agility and quality. Embracing agility in big data projects fosters faster insights, adaptability, and higher collaboration, enabling continuous advancement in analytics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.